Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store if it is not working. So if your Microsoft Store is not working, there could be different reasons behind it. Number one is that your Wi-Fi is not stable, so you have to make sure you have a good Wi-Fi. Then you can then simply go and restart your system. This could be helpful and can make your Microsoft Store work again. Then the other thing could be your sign up issue in your Microsoft Store. In that case, you have to simply sign out, or if you're not signed in, then you have to simply sign up using your email address. And one more thing that you can do is you have to go to the settings and there you have to search for Microsoft Store apps. Once you search for it, you will see this one which is related to some issue. Click onto it, and after that, you have to simply start this process. This will help any issue or any sort of bugs related to Microsoft to be fixed. So this one is actually the troubleshoot, therefore we have to go for it. So this troubleshoot process will take around 1 to 2 minutes based on your internet speed and your system's capacity. And once it gets done, it will resolve all the issues, and if there's an issue, it will also show you what was it. But let's say it is not working still. In that case, you have to go to the settings, go to apps, and then you have to go to this one, which is the installed apps. Once you see all the list, you have to simply scroll down and you will find the option for components. Click onto it, and then you have to click onto the three dots which is on Microsoft Store, and you will get into advanced options. Then you have to scroll down and you have to first repair and reset it, then the issue will be resolved. One more thing that you can do is check for your updates. If there's any Windows update available, simply update it and then the issues will be resolved. So that's how you can fix your Microsoft Store if it is not working. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.